Hey everyone, John here from Diode Dynamics. Today we are excited to debut two additional Stage Series lighting kits designed specifically for the 2019 Plus Polaris RZR XP. Let's kick things off with the star of the show, the SS3 LED Grille Kit. This kit is a complete replacement for the plastic OEM grill, allowing you to mount two SS3 LED pods in a factory grill location. The custom-designed stainless steel grill is built to endure the elements, while providing a stealthy, OEM-like solution for mounting your pods. Designed to match the honeycomb pattern from Polaris, this kit bolts on easily for a clean and seamless installation. The included SS3s feature your choice of fog or combo optics, both proudly engineered in-house by our world-class team with performance as the top priority. By utilizing advanced total internal reflection or TIR optics, these pods maximize light efficiency and precision. Unlike traditional reflector-based designs, TIR technology ensures nearly all emitted light is harnessed, creating a highly focused and consistent beam pattern tailored for optimal performance. Our fog optic utilizes industry-leading fine line optic technology to deliver extreme width and high intensity output directly in front of the vehicle. Unlike other options in the market that taper off, our design maintains a consistent, high intensity beam pattern across the entire band of light. Our combo pattern, on the other hand, combines our driving and flood patterns into a single lens. The flood portion delivers outstanding foreground lighting directly in front of your vehicle, while the driving portion projects a focused, high-intensity beam for exceptional downrange visibility. It's a smart design that offers balanced performance and illumination for any off-road adventure. In addition to their tailored beam patterns, all of our pods come equipped with features you've come to expect from our Stage Series lineup. That includes our signature amber backlight, a favorite among off-roaders, and a main beam available in your choice of 6000K cool white or 3000K selected yellow to suit your style and needs. Moving up the RZR, you'll find our second new addition, the Stage Series A-Pillar Kit. This kit is designed to mount a pair of SS3s or SS5 LED pods to your A-Pillar, using the factory mounting points for a secure, hassle-free installation. The included SS3 or SS5 pods feature our combo optic, offering versatile lighting with a blend of downrange visibility and front-end fill light, perfect for navigating any off-road terrain. Just like the grill kit, these pods are available in your choice of 6000K cool white or 3000K selected yellow for the main beam, along with their signature amber backlight to complete the look. And if you went with our SS5s in white for the A-Pillar kit, you'll also have 8 selectable backlight colors for a truly unique look. If you're ready to upgrade your RZR, these kits are just the start. Be sure to check out our other top tier options, like our SS3 headlight kit for more function and output than the factory units, the chase light kit to stay visible on the trail, or the reverse light kit for a significant increase in rear illumination. If you're interested in any of these kits for the RZR XP or any of our other products, head on over to our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. If you would like to stay up to date on the latest and greatest products coming to the market, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.